Hey sub family, welcome back to another video, guys. So today I got the 2005 Kia Spectra EX, guys, and I'm going to be doing a reverse light bulb replacement on the 2005 Kia Spectra, guys. So let's go ahead and get straight to the video. Before we get to the video, I want to show you which bulb you'll need to replace your reverse light bulb on your 2005 Kia Spectra EX, guys. And this is what you'll need right here. It is the Sylvania Long Life 921, and I will put this in the description below so you guys can go ahead and pick this specific bulb up for your 2005 Kia Spectra EX. Now this is, like I said, for the reverse light assembly, guys, and I will also show you where the brake light bulb is as well, but I will not be doing a replacement, but it's similar to this, guys. So let's go ahead and get to the video now. I'm in the back of the 2005 Kia Spectra EX, and here is the rear tail light assembly here. And as you can see, this is the socket for the reverse light, and then this is the socket for the blinker, and then down here you got the brake light down there, and that is the socket for that. So we're going to be replacing this one here today, and this is the reverse light, guys. And I will also show you how to take the brake light out and just replace that as well, even though they don't need replaced. Now I'm in the back of the trunk. As you can see right here, there's a little flap that you have to open, and there's two little plastic screws right here, and that's all you need to do to open this up and access the assembly in the back. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and unscrew these two here. That's one, and that's the other one. And then after you do that, guys, then you want to go ahead and just remove this flap by lifting up and pulling out just like that. And then right here, you are going to see this socket. And what you want to do with this socket is you want to put your fingers in there and twist it just like that and pull it out just like that, guys. And as you can see, there's currently no bulb in there. So we're going to go ahead and open this pack of Sylvania lights up. And then you want to go ahead and take the bulb, and make sure you are wearing gloves when you do this, because if you do not, it can short out the bulbs. And then you want to go ahead and plug it in place just like that, guys. And that's all you need to do right there. And that bulb is nice and secure. And then you want to take it and put it back in the socket here by lining it up with your fingers. And then once you line it up and have it in there like that, then you're going to twist it and lock it in place. This is the brake light bulb, and in order to get the brake light bulb out, all you have to do is just twist it like this, pull it out, and then you're presented with the brake light bulb. So once you have that out, you want to go ahead and press it in just a tiny bit, just like that, and turn it, and it will pop out just like that. Now this brake light bulb is not bad, but I'm going to go ahead and reinsert this back in here. I don't have a replacement bulb because I don't need one, but this still applies for if you have to change your bulb. So go ahead and push your bulb in there just like that, and you're going to twist it. So there's two grooves right there that will line up with these two little metal prongs on the side. You're going to go ahead and line this up to this assembly here. You want to go ahead and twist it in place, and that's all you need to do to replace your brake light bulb. And I showed you how to do the reverse light, and this is the blinker. So it applies to all three of these, guys, and that's all you need to do to replace your brake light bulb and your reverse light bulb, guys. So now I'm going to show you how to put this cover back on right here, guys. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and tuck these cables down in here and push them out of the way. And then after you do that, you're going to go ahead and slide this right into those grooves on the side, just like that. And then you're going to go up and down, and then you're going to lay that down just like that. And then you're going to take your screws here, and then you're going to put them in the side just like so. And then you're going to just screw them in just like this, guys. That's one. And now we're moving on to the second one here. And that is two, guys. And this also applies for the passenger side. And I just showed you how to do the driver side. The assemblies are exactly the same and apply for both sides. but I will show you how to do the passenger side as well. Now I'm on the passenger side here, and I'm going to go ahead and open this compartment up to the rear taillight assembly. So you want to go ahead and unscrew both of these screws here. That's the first one. That's the second one. And then you want to take this flap and move that out the way. And then the reverse light is located right there. You just want to go ahead and unscrew that like you did on the driver's side. You're going to take your bulb, and then you're going to place your bulb right into there. And once you do that, you're going to go ahead and put it back in the socket here. And then you are going to twist it in place just like that. Make sure all the cables are out of the way. Go ahead and put this back on here, just like this. And then once you have that on there, you just want to hold it in place and screw in the first screw here, screw in the second one, just like that. And that's all you need to do, guys, to replace your reverse light bulb on both sides. And like I showed you on the other side, for the brake light bulb, it applies for both sides. I just showed you how to successfully install the reverse light bulbs on the 2005 Kia Spectra EX, guys. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the car in reverse and show you that they're working perfectly, guys. So as you can see right there, guys, that they are working. And that's the reverse light bulb right there, guys. So I hope you liked the video on how to replace the reverse light bulbs on your 2005 Kia Spectra EX. And if you could, I appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. And I just want to let you guys know, Jesus is King. God bless you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.